Today I'm going to show you how to use Grok 4.3 for free and what you can actually do with it. First, go to Arena AI. Once you're there, select Direct Chat. Now, choose the model and pick Grok 4.3. Once you're inside, you can start giving it prompts just like any AI. For example, I'm going to ask it to create a snake game. As you can see, it generates the full HTML code instantly. I'll copy the code, paste it into a file, and run it in my browser. And here's the result. The snake game works perfectly. Try it yourself and see what you can build.